these are the same left and right.
Left and right.
Okay, so this is going to be the rear shock. It's not a coilover like the front, but you're going to have the rear shock right here. And this is where you're going to have the rear spring for adjustment. It's right here, lock collar, mount. This will be for the adjustment, dude. Not bad. Drag here to this one, so you need to just cut the line and take it out. Alright, to make this side easier for the driver's side, just take off this panel. The carpet, there's a couple clips right here, and then there's one on the back side, which ties into right here, and then the whole thing pulls out. Remove your carpet, it's right here, so I'll probably end up making a hole right here, or something that's accessible to adjust it maybe. But you just take off the cover. Now we're gonna work on that right there to break it loose from the shock line on top to the body. Take out the coil springs on the rear on both sides. I took off the axle bolts right here. I have 6 of them. It just dropped. I removed the sway bar end link in the bottom, and I obviously took the shock off. Dropped the whole control arm. Grabbed the pry bar, stuck it in here, lifted it up, and then it just popped out towards the rear, like so, like that. All right, and then this whole thing is just gonna pop out like that. All right, that was the easiest way to do it, quickest way to do it, and you don't risk to damage the axle at that aggressive angle. And that's how you take off the rear coil springs, super easy. Now I'm just gonna attach this. I'm gonna take this off, put it on top, and then I'm gonna put the new Pedders suspension in the rear right now. And it's the same thing as the left side. And that was it. All right guys, so here's how I took off the rear. I just stuck the pry bar through here. So I'm trying to do this with one hand. There you go, like that. Pick the whole thing, spin it, do some more, and then the whole thing should just pop right up. There it is. Now we're gonna put this back on the top, put the new coil spring inside, and then we're gonna put stuff back in reverse order, which I'll explain to you in a bit. Okay, so I supported the shock mount and jacked it up so this stays inside by itself. The way that I'm doing it, I'm going to install the shock next on the top mount and on the bottom. Then I'm going to connect the sway bar link, and last is the axle, and then torque it all down, and then I'm done with the car. I haven't adjusted for fitment yet because I still have the stock wheels right here. I'm gonna go today to go get the new wheels mounted and balanced. Then I'll adjust the suspension with those new wheels, and I'll show you how that goes when I do it. Got the Pedders. Boom. It's gonna be the sway bar end links, which you can kind of see. Sway bar end links. And this inner CB boots. Oh, I'm sorry, these over here.